gonna make our way and haul some soybeans to our local elevator and see how that goes. See you on the flip side. Just making sure all my four-ways work here. I don't know why that one's sticking. Oh, there you go, she's working. And off we go. Toodles. So we finally made her here. Yeah, it was kind of tricky finding it, but we've never been to this elevator before, but it was alright. Little muddy roads, but we got through it all, that's for sure. We're gonna get it probed here, and then I'm assuming we're gonna be dumping in there. Unloaded. Let's get back home, I guess. Oh yeah. What we're trying to do is haul a few loads of Greenway this week as well. So there's a lot of trucking going on this week, so but it's been busy, so we'll try to get it done as much as we can. Alright, back in the yard again, and this is filling up for my fourth load, I believe. And yeah, well, I hauled 9 loads in a total today of wheat. Alright, today's Saturday again, and we're gonna try combining this morning. It's dried up. We had rain this week. So now it's dried up, we can start combining again.
It's just south of the plots. I can go there, there's nothing in my way. South of the plots.
So go, dude! One side note I also want to address is what we use to calibrate our combines. We always use drop pans, and we have a program called Bushel Plus, and they really help us out in drop pans and help us calculate exactly how much loss we're getting out per combine, so we can minimize the throw over in the combine and optimize our yield as much as we can. So here's our video that I want to show you about Bushel Plus.
So we're going to take this drop pan and we're going to go put it under the combine, and I'll show you what for shortly. So what I got here is a remote control, and what you're going to see is I'm going to press my A button, and as I do that, the pan's going to drop. Way safer than old ways of doing this. So pan dropped, as you can see. I don't think we got anything going over, which is what we've been noticing. The very first time I dropped, we had one kernel. Yeah, if you look over there, there is one over there too. But yep, we'll do several drops like this during the day, just making sure everything's good to go. So the next question is, what does that one kernel tell you? Well, this pan that I'm using, there's 2 different ones that I get with this this unit that I got from Bushel Plus. The one that I'm using is a square foot. So what I'm going to do now is I put it on my handy dandy little scale here. There's zero it out. I put that one kernel on, and we are looking at, well, it doesn't even read. Normally it's going to read, but needless to say, it doesn't amount to much. Once I get going, what we have found is it tends to be about 4 kernel per square foot, depending on bushel weight, is a bushel an acre. So we're throwing over somewhere 1/4 to maybe up to 1/3 of a bushel, but I'm going to say, easy figuring, let's go 1/4 bushel an acre.